Hey everyone, welcome back to Yum with Mom. Today we are going to make some super soft mini buns with the most delicious flaky and buttery texture. And with the recipe, I guarantee you will finally feel confident baking buns. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup warm milk. To that, add 1 tablespoon of sugar along with 2 teaspoons of yeast and give it a good mix. Here I have used active dry yeast. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our yeast is activated. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of Maida, to that add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the activated yeast mixture and start kneading. Knead the dough very well for 5 minutes. After kneading it properly, add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it well with the dough. Butter promises a flavorful and soft buns. Knead the dough until the butter is completely mixed with it. Apply some butter on it. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour or until double in size in a warm place. As you can see, our dough has doubled in size. Now I'm gonna knead it again for a few minutes. Roll the dough and divide the dough into equal pieces. Grease the baking bowl with butter. Shape each piece into a smooth ball and arrange in a baking bowl. Don't worry if they are not all uniform in size, no one is perfect. Apply some milk on it. Let the shaped buns rise before baking. Let it proof for another 15 minutes. To heat up a kadhai, make sure to use big and deep kadhai. Here I have used 2 cups of salt. Spread it evenly in the bottom. Over that we will place a stand. Now cover the kadhai and let it heat for 10 minutes on high flame. Our buns are proofed for 15 minutes. Now place the baking bowl inside the preheated kadhai. Cover it and cook it in a low to medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. Our buns are ready after 35 minutes, and now we are going to apply some butter over the buns as it gives nice shine to our buns. Let it cool down for another 20 minutes, cover it and keep it aside. Run the knife on the edges of the buns. Look at the softness, totally amazing. Repeat the same steps with the leftover dough and enjoy.